All right, so these are just some of the smaller improvements and features we've implemented in the last couple of weeks. If you go to the top left drop down over here, and in help, you now have direct links to documentation, video tutorials, our community, but now you also have keyboard shortcuts. These are all the new keyboard shortcuts we have available, and now you have available to you in Ycode. Now, another thing is, if you had a list of blog posts like so, and then you had a feature image and they were all connected to the same collection, well, you see that it's duplicated. What you can now do is go to that one collection. In my case, is this list over here, and in the settings of that collection, of that div that is connected to a collection, you now have offset. You can go ahead and click 1, and it will just skip that first blog post, that item, and now it's not duplicated, as you see. Another thing we did is we kind of limited the drag and drop feature, but it made it better, because now if you drag and drop something, it will not drag outside its div, so it's a lot easier to manage. And like I said, even though it is a limitation, it makes work much easier. Now, of course, you can still take that header, in this case, out of the div. Just go ahead and be crazy, put it wherever you want. I'm going to go and hit Command Z to bring it back. But now if you work directly in a div, it's going to be easier. Now, another thing we have is, if we go to our dashboard over here, we have our projects, and we go ahead and hit settings, we can now change the language code of our project. Just hit edit, change the code, hit save changes, and you are ready to go. Now, a bigger thing, let me go ahead and zoom out, is if you go to your elements here, if you scroll down to utilities, you now have the lemon squeezy button you can use. And I have a whole video for that, so just go ahead and watch that if you're interested. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.